This is a step-by-step guide on how to apply feather-friendly window collision tape. To start off, we need some materials, including our window collision tape, regular Scotch tape, our cleaning solution, and some tape measures. First, clean your windows with a mixture of rubbing alcohol to water, where you should add 1 cup of water to a fourth of a cup of rubbing alcohol. Next, hang 2 tape measures to the side of the window, attaching them securely with tape. Take your roll of feather-friendly collision tape and mark at 2-inch intervals and apply it across the window horizontally. When you complete this step, you should be able to use your fingers to press down and make sure that the tape is securely attached to the window. Next, using an old credit card, firmly press down on the strips so no air bubbles are present, and do this all along the length of the tape. Continue till you reach the bottom. Using your fingers to press down firmly on the white stickers, start to pull off the tape. Sometimes the white stickers will try to come off, in which case you should press the tape back down firmly with the credit card and then attempt to peel very slowly over the white sticker. Sometimes you'll find that the white stickers will peel off, in which case you can easily replace this by cutting off a smaller section of tape, laying it over the section in which you want to replace another white sticker, pressing it down firmly with your fingers and then again with the credit card, and then peeling the tape off of the sticker. As you can see, the stickers are quite uniform, and though they can be seen from the outside of the window, it is fairly easy for them to blend in as you walk farther away from the window. Here is a video recording. You can see that as you zoom in, you don't even notice the stickers, and you can still see everything outside in your yard.